So let's reveal it. And here it is. It's got a sort of faux bronze look. This case is made of resin, plastic. I'm not sure how this compares to the original AE-1200s, but I quite like the acrylic they used on the for the crystal. It's very clear. It's got a bit of shine to it. Makes it feel a little dressy. So this strap comes with the watch. It's a sort of warm brown. It's decent quality. I think it really suits the watch. So let's just have a little look at the lettering. So what we see now, rather than the old 5-alarm, 100 meters plastered all over here, super large, we have a more subtle text where you have like a gentle Casio there, a minor sort of WR-100M, so 100 meters water resistance. And then these more sort of subdued texts here, the alarm, chrono, showing the functions. One thing I didn't like was the extra text, the top, world time, illumination. You know, I can't even remember what it was. I actually just took a Q-tip, cotton bud. No, I didn't. I used an eraser and gently rubbed it off. You can see that I didn't do the best job here, but it looks pretty good here. It's almost like it was made this way. So let's get that on wrist and have a look. Really nice. And I purchased this with the explicit intention of replacing the case with a bronze one from SKX Mod. That's my plan. You will see that in an upcoming video. Here's the Vario strap for the AE-1200 that I purchased this explicitly to put on this one, the special edition. It's a sort of darker brown, really nicely made. Only one keeper. It's a little strange, but you quickly get used to it. You can see I've been wearing it already. It's got Vario stamped on there, quick release, and there we have it. Looking very schmick. I think it's a notch above the standard strap that comes with it, although when I say standard, it's unusual for the AE-1200s to come on leather. I prefer this. I think it looks great, matches. Next video, I'll be showing the SKX modded version in bronze.